Hello everyone, I am G. Rajesh Kumar from MM School of Engineering, working as an assistant professor, the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today I am going to talk about the topic Knapsack problem in dynamic programming method. Here I am going to discuss about the main content of the topic. First of all, I am going to discuss about the topic introduction, then explanation and example and applications. So next one is definition of knapsack problem. So what is meant by knapsack problem? So given a set of items each with a weight and a profit, to determine the number of each items to include a collection so that the weight is less than or equal to a given limit. The total profit is as large as possible. So it means you have to include the items with minimum weight and maximum profit. This is the concept of knapsack problem. So we have two versions of knapsack. First one is 0-1 knapsack problem. Second one is fractional knapsack problem. So 0-1 knapsack problem is items are invisible and it is solved only by dynamic programming. And a fractional knapsack problem, items are divisible and it is only solved by using greedy algorithm. This is the example of knapsack problem. So in this we have 4 items and 1 bag. So in bag we have only the capacity is 7 kg. For 4 items we have the weight for camera weight 1 kg value 10,008 and laptop weight 3 kg value is 20,008 and necklace weight 4 kg the value 40,008 thus the weight is 8 kg value is 45,008. So we have to include only 2 items, it means 7 kg only with the maximum profit. In this we will take laptop and camera, necklace and laptop. So it equals the 7 kg and profit is 70,016. So this is the solution for this problem. Now let me see the mathematical example of 0-1 knapsack problem. So in this example we have 5 items. So n is equal to 5. The maximum capacity is 6. So variable is m. So m is equal to 6. So for weight 1 the profit is 3 and weight 4 the profit is 6. Weight 3 the profit is 4 and weight 2 the profit is 4. Weight 5 the profit is 6. So now find the choose an item with maximum profit. So in DP approach we have two steps mainly: identify the smaller sub problems and recursively define the value of an optimal solution in terms of solution to smaller problem. We'll discuss later. This is the formula for finding the value in recursive condition. So B of kW equal to B of k minus 1 W. If W less than Wk, then maximum of B of k minus 1 comma W comma B of k minus 1 comma W minus W whole plus B of k. Here I am going to solve the problem, going to find the maximum profit for this problem. So we have two parameters, weight and profit. So we have weight 1, 2, 3 like that we have the weights, and the profit is for 1 we have the profit 3, for weight 2 the profit is 4 like that we have. So we will construct one table. We have rows and columns. In rows it's all contain weights. For column it mentioned as items. So 0th column we put all 0 because we don't have 0 items. So next first item. So we have first item. So first weight we have the profit 3. So straight away weight 1 and item 1. So intersecting point we will place the value 3. The 3 is the profit. After that there is no value. So we will remain same the put the same value 3 3 3 3 3. So then item 2. So now we have the item 0 1 2. For weight 2 we have the profit 4. So we have to replace the value intersecting value item 2 weight 2. So intersecting value 4 we have to replace the value 4. So in this we have the 3 items 0 1 2. So 1 plus 2 item is 3. So third weight position we have the profit 7 we have to place the value because 1 plus 2 the weight is 3. So for that appropriate profit is for 1 3, for 2 the profit is 4. So 3 plus 4 equal to 7. The total profit is 7. For weight 3 the total profit is 7. So we have to put the profit 7 and remain as same. So like that we will solve the 5 items. Finally you got the maximum profit. So in this problem the maximum profit is 11. This is the answer for this problem. Now see the application of knapsack problem. In real world, mostly it is used in decision making process and such as field, cut raw materials, selection of investment and selection of assets and courier transportation. So like that we will apply in all real world scenario. I think you learn about knapsack problem in many way. So knapsack problem is nothing but is to put the items in a bag with minimum weight and maximum profit. So thank you for listening. Thank you.